Hi everyone, this is Cedric from cedricober.com. Welcome to my Traffic Ivy review. I'm here inside the Traffic Ivy dashboard, and during this review, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of what you can expect from this new product by Cindy Donovan. We're going to look at the Traffic Ivy sales page. I'm going to show you my bonus page because I just put the final touch on this cool bonus package for you guys if you decide to pick up a Traffic Ivy from my link. So here's the bonuses. We're going to talk about that in a few minutes. And of course, we're going to look inside the Traffic Ivy dashboard and we're going to check a few things together. At any time during this review, you can click the first link in the description, the YouTube description, and this will bring you to my bonus page right here. Okay. With that said, let's get started. So here's the Traffic Ivy dashboard. Okay, if you go to my bonus page and you click any of the green button right here, this will bring you to the Traffic Ivy sales page right here. Okay, so new revolutionary system, get guaranteed real free traffic to your opt-in page, blog, offer, e-com store, video, and social posts. Quality monitor, get real, actual, trackable, guaranteed click. Okay, so here's a few of the bullet point here. Of course, I won't read all the sales page. Like I said, just click the first link in the description and click this button right here. If you're already one of my subscribers, you're most likely already on this page, so just click the green button right here. Okay, so here's just a few points. So drive laser target traffic from a massive growing network of blog across 22 categories. Upload your video onto 100 of active YouTube accounts. Post your content on 1,000 active social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Reddit. So you can go viral with multiple people sharing on multiple social media accounts. So this is pretty cool. And it's a community-driven rating system. So you're guaranteed to get high quality. Okay. So let's just go inside the dashboard right here. So how it works, it's pretty easy. You just connect your social media account and website. Okay, so you just go here, my asset, and you just connect your social media account. So just a few minutes and you will be up and running. So YouTube already done most of them. I think I just need to connect this one. I left this one so to show you. So you just click connect if you already have a LinkedIn account. Just gonna ask you to sign in and there we go. So I'm connect with a link. So all my social media accounts are connected. Okay, so I connect them if I want to share some content. Let's say someone posts something cool and I want to share it on my Facebook or on my Twitter. I can earn point if I do this. Okay, so my traffic campaigns, that's where you're gonna create your first campaign. Okay, so let's say, let me just go back to the home page here. So right now I only have 100 points. Okay, but tomorrow when it's gonna launch, no, I just went back to my bonus page because I want to show you the price. So option one, it's under $10, it's $9.97, and you get 2,000 points because everything worked by point. Okay, you have option 2 for 5,000 points and option 3 for 10,000 points. There's also some one-time offer, so you can get some point monthly. Okay, like I said, just click the link on the description. Just go to my bonus page and read this part. Everything is well explained here. And there's also another upsell. It's a Traffic Ivy Kickstart bundle. It's $97. So it's a fully hosted WordPress blog with built-in monetization, include 5 done for you, fully managed landing page system. Okay. So like I said, I won't read everything. Just go to my bonus page and just read all the upsell and OTO. But the main point is you can grab this thing for under $10 right now, and you will get 2,000 points. So all the points work. So let's say I want to allocate 100 points to a new campaign. So I create my traffic campaign right here. And I will click here, create new campaign. I just put the name, a description. I choose my images, the category I want, okay, because it's not just internet marketing. So art, design, auto, book, business, cooking, education, employment, entertainment, family, fashion, finance, games, etc., etc. Okay, so you just click your category, you put some tag, okay, and you click next. Another cool feature, you always click here when you do any kind of campaign, because if we read this here, consider for future post. I mean, if you deliver quality content on this network, well, you may be a choose for the content of the day. So if this happen, your content will be shared on everybody's dashboard. So this is huge. So okay, so I won't create a campaign right now. I have another account here, so I can show you some campaign here. I have two accounts. I have my account and I have a GV account that Cindy gave me. So here's a few campaign, okay? Like this one, traffic point, it's 10 points. So if someone share this content, they will earn 10 points, and it's gonna cost you 10 points, okay? So let's say, let me just go back to my own dashboard. So right now, like I said, I only have 100 points. So if I create a campaign and I allocate my 100 points, I can give, let's say, each people 10 points to get a share. So this will give me 10 share, okay? Or 10 people that that will post my article on their blog with a link back to my own website. So this is great to get share, to get like social media signal, and of course get backlink. So it's pretty easy how everything works. And they also ban user if you put some bad content in there, or you're trying to spam the system, they will ban you. And this is good for everyone, because you know you want quality traffic, you want quality member in there, you want quality member that share your content. Okay, so all it works, like I said, connect your media account. Okay, so I already done that. Earn point. Okay, so I can earn point if I share some content from the community, and I can spend my point on targeted traffic to my own offer. Okay, and this is all monitored, so you will get only high quality share, likes, and people that share your blog post article. Okay, so that's about it. You can go to the marketplace here. Of course, I cannot get more point, because it's only open tomorrow. So if I go here, right here, buy traffic, so it's opening tomorrow. So I can go to the marketplace and earn some point. Like let's say Cherise here, she just put an article in there, so I can click here and promote this article for her. Okay, so it's go the same thing for you. You just create an article and other people will share your content. So it's pretty cool. Sometimes you have some great piece of content and nobody share them. So with this new system, everyone can share your content. So you get some, like I said, some backlink to your own website, or you get some good social signal to rank your stuff on Google. So let me just go to my bonus page real quick. Okay, of course I'm gonna put the video that I'm recording right now right here. So that's my bonus page. Once again, if you're watching this video on YouTube, just click the first link in the description. If you're already one of my subscribers, well, just scroll down the page, and like I said, you can pick up the Traffic Ivy product by clicking this green button right here. So what it's all about, like I said, I already told you that. So you can share article, Facebook post, Twitter, Pinterest. You can upload some video to other people's account. Okay, you choose the point price you're willing to pay, while other members choose what they're willing to share and publish ads for. Okay, and everything is monitored, so you have some stats. So right now I don't have any statistic, but let's see here. So right now there's 92 campaign, 125 campaign type, and 144 share. But this site it's not live yet, so that's why there's not that many share right now. If I just go home, I think there's like 200 member right now. Mostly people that know Cindy. I know Cindy for, I don't know, maybe 12 years now. So she gave me an account. So right now there's 234 member. There's 64 blog in the networks, 88 share, and number of share you receive. You can click all your statistic. You click statistic right here, and you can see who share your content. Okay, so let me just go to my bonus page. I'm gonna talk about my bonus real quick. So let me just scroll down a little bit. So like I said, the price on upsell, it's $9.97 for 2,000 points. So this is probably the best option to test the system. So for under $10 you get 2,000 points, and of course there's all the OTO. I won't go over them, just read. I put all the text right here, and there's another demo here where Cindy's creating a real campaign. So if you want to check this video. So my exclusive bonus, if you decide to purchase Traffic Ivy from this page. So the first one, it's my my Ninja Traffic video course. So let me just open a new page here. So Ninja Traffic Training. You can watch this page right here. So if you want to pick up, if you pick up Traffic Ivy from my link, I will give you this product free and the OTO, okay, the upsell. So if you want to boost your YouTube channel, this is a great video course right here. Okay, this is bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, I give you another one of my product. It's the Graphic Mystic package. Let me just go to Graphic Mystic real quick. So once again, you get this product for free if you decide to pick up Traffic Ivy from my link. Let's check the other bonus. I record another video here. It's my secret source to gain access to the Thrive suite and many more premium plugin. Okay, so my bonus page, this page here, I built this page with a plugin. It's called Thrive Architect, and it's a pretty cool plugin. And I will show you 2 ways where you can get this plugin very cheap. Okay, the first source, it's like $5–10, and you can have this this plugin installed in your website. And I will show you a better way, in my opinion, where you can gain access to so many things. You will be blown away. I found this secret source I think a few months ago, in November, I think, so like 2 months ago, and it's really cool. So I record a video to show you this secret source, okay? And bonus 5, gonna show you another cool way to create a WordPress website from scratch in under 15 minutes. And of course, you get all the vendor bonus from Cindy. So she gave me a bunch of bonus to give you, and you will be able to download them all from my bonus page. Okay, so how to claim my bonus? Well, this one, it's a little bit tricky. Maybe I will change the wording here. I try to deliver this product instantly, my bonus instantly on ClickBank, but there's like no way like GVZoo or Warrior Plus. So you will have to email me, and I will just send you the bonus link. Okay. So that's bonus, all the vendor bonus. Let me see if I have this page somewhere. So you get all these bonus here. So bonus 1, big traffic fire sale. Bonus 2, image sharing profit report. Bonus 3, instant content creator. The turbo GIF animator. Modern Facebook marketing guide. Authority blogging. Social traffic rush. Evergreen internet profit. So you will get them all if you decide to pick up Traffic Ivy from my link. This is the bonus that Cindy gave me, and I don't want you to miss out, so I will give them all to you guys, plus my own bonus. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any question, just drop a comment below my YouTube video, or if you're one of my subscribers, just send me an email. My contact details right here, or you can just click the contact form right here, and this will bring you to my contact form. So just contact me, and I will get back to you if you have any question. So I hope you enjoyed this Traffic Ivy review. My name, once again, is Cedric Aubry from cedricaubry.com. Thanks for watching.